Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw directly in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fantastic feature if you want to add hand-drawn annotations, highlight specific areas in your video, or create custom animated effects that really make your content stand out. Let's jump right into it. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll see several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on Edit. This is where you'll be working with your timeline and building the foundation for your drawing effects. Now look up at the top of your screen and click on Effects. This will open up the effects library, which contains all the tools you need for this process. From the effects panel, locate the adjustment clip option and drag it directly onto your timeline. The adjustment clip acts as a layer where you can apply effects without altering your original footage, which gives you much more flexibility. If you need to adjust how long your drawing appears, you can resize the clip's width by dragging its edges on the timeline. Next, click on Fusion at the bottom of the screen. Fusion is DaVinci Resolve's powerful compositing workspace, and this is where the actual drawing magic happens. Once you're in Fusion, look for the Builder tool and click on the Paint icon. This opens up the Paint toolset, which is specifically designed for drawing and painting directly onto your video frames. On the left side of your screen, you'll now see the Apply Controls panel. This is where you can customize how your drawing will look. You can choose an Apply mode, which determines how your strokes blend with the video, and you can also select a color for your brush. Take a moment to pick a color that will stand out against your footage. Below that, click on Brush Controls. Here you can select a brush shape that suits your style, whether you want something round, soft, or more textured. You can also adjust the brush size and softness to get exactly the look you're going for. Play around with these settings until you find something that feels right for your project. Now comes the fun part. Start drawing directly on your video. You can sketch anything you like, whether it's highlighting an object, adding arrows, or creating custom illustrations. Once you're done with the current frame, press the right arrow key on your keyboard. This will move you forward to the next frame, allowing you to continue your drawing and create a smooth animated effect. You can repeat this process frame by frame until your entire animation is complete. It might take some time depending on how detailed you want your drawing to be, but the results are well worth it. When you're finished, click back on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now, play your video to check the outcome and see how your drawing looks in motion. You can make adjustments if needed by going back into Fusion and refining your strokes. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to draw directly in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.